Hello everyone, welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let we discuss SAP Basis interview question and answers. What is SAP Basis? Answer: SAP Basis is a technical foundation that enables SAP applications to function. It consists of middleware programs and tools that support the interoperability and portability of SAP application across systems and databases. Explain the architecture of SAP. Answer: SAP architecture typically consists of three layers: the presentation layer GUI, the application layer logic processing, and the database layer data storage. The architecture ensures that each layer can be managed independently. What are the different types of works processes in SAP? Answer: the main work processes in SAP are: dialog handles interactive user request, background executes background jobs, update executes database updates, enqueue manages logs on data, spool manages print request, gateway handles communication between SAP and external systems. What is a transport request in SAP? Answer: a transport request is a package that contains changes made in the SAP system, which can be moved from one system to another. Example: from development to production. It ensures consistency and integrity of data across the SAP landscape. How do you perform client copy in SAP? Answer: client copy can be performed using transaction codes like SCCL, local client copy, SCC9, remote client copy, or SCC8, expert. It involves copying client-specific data from one client to another within the same or different SAP systems. What is SAP NetWeaver? Answer: SAP NetWeaver is an integrated technology platform that enables the composition, provisioning, and management of SAP and non-SAP applications across a heterogeneous software environment. It supports businesses, processes, and cross-application integration. How do you monitor and troubleshoot SAP system performance? Answer: performance monitoring and troubleshooting can be done using tools like ST02, Tune Summary, ST03, Workload Analysis, ST04, Database Performance, ST06, Operating System Performance, SM50/SM66, Process Overview and Global Work Process Overview, SE30, Runtime Analysis. What steps would you take if a user complains that the SAP system is slow? Answer: steps to troubleshoot include checking if the issue is user specific or system wide, monitoring the system performance using transaction codes like ST02, ST03, ST06, checking for long running jobs or logged processes in SM50/SM66, analyzing database performance using ST04, reviewing system logs and dumps for errors ST22, SM21. What is the role of a SAP Basis administrator in security? Answer: an SAP Basis administrator is responsible for implementing and managing user authorizations, rules, and profiles to ensure secure access to SAP systems. They also perform security audits, monitor for security breaches, and apply patches and updates to safeguard the system. How do you handle authorization issues in SAP? Answer: authorization issues can be handled by analyzing the user's rules and authorizations using SU01 and PFCG, checking authorization objects and their values in SU53, making necessary adjustments to rules and profiles to grant appropriate permissions. How do you perform a backup in SAP? Answer: backups can be performed using SAP tools like BR Backup for Oracle or using third-party backup Tools integrated with SAP. Regular backups should include database backups, file system backups, and configuration backups. Describe the process of SAP system recovery. Answer: SAP system recovery involves restoring the database from the last backup, recovering the file system, SAP binaries, profiles, and log files, applying any additional transaction logs to bring the system up to date, verifying system integrity and consistency. What is the use of transaction code ST22? Answer: transaction code ST22 is used to analyze ABAP dumps. It helps identify and troubleshoot runtime errors in SAP systems. How do you transport SAP transports between systems? Answer: SAP transports can be moved between systems using the transport management system. This involves exporting transport requests from the source system and importing them into the target system using transaction codes SE09, STMS, and related tools. What are the types of profiles in SAP? Answer: default profile contains default values for all instances in the SAP system. Instance profile contains instance specific parameters. Start profile contains parameters needed during the start of SAP instances. What is the function of transaction code SM51? Answer: SM51 displays a list of active application servers in the SAP system. It shows the status and allows the administrator to monitor and manage work processes. What is Early Watch Alert? Answer: Early Watch Alert is a SAP service that monitors the health and performance of SAP systems. It generates reports with recommendations to improve system performance and stability. How do you apply support packages or patches in SAP? Answer: download patches. Download the necessary support packages from the SAP Service Marketplace. Upload to SAP system. Use the spam or saint transitions to upload the patches. Queue selection. Select the support packages to be applied and define the queue. Import queue. Import the support packages in the defined order. Post processing. Perform any required post processing steps. What is a producer for kernel upgrade? Answer: preparation. Download the latest kernel for the SAP Service Marketplace. Backup. Backup the current kernel directory. Stop SAP system. Stop the SAP application servers. Replace kernel files. Replace the old kernel files with the new ones. Start SAP system. Start the SAP application servers. Verification. Verify the kernel version using transaction code displays work. How do you perform a database restore? Answer: the steps for a database restore typically involves shutdown application. Stop the SAP application to ensure data consistency. Prepare backup files. Prepare the latest backup files. Restore database files. Use database specific tools to restore the data files. Apply transaction logs. Apply any transaction logs to bring the database to the current state. Start application. Start the SAP application and verify data integrity. What is a tablespace in SAP? Answer: a tablespace is a storage structure used to store database objects like tables and indexes. It is a logical layer that abstracts the physical storage details, allowing administrators to manage this space efficiently. Explain the transport management system. Answer: TMS is a tool within SAP that manages and controls the movement of transport requests across different systems in the SAP landscape. Example: development, quality, assurance, production. It ensures that integrity and consistency of changes. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.